Hey, you guys. So my husband told me that he wants him like a kind of white bread loaf, like regular old sandwich bread, regular smaggler daggler. So I'm gonna make him a loaf using half of the golden wheat and half AP flour from the King as well. Let's make this man his loaf before he loses his mind and he gotta go get divorced. You're a good man, Savannah. All right, let's go. Going in with 2 cups of warm water. I love the way the light just cut off. A fourth a cup of honey, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of yeast. We're going to mix this up and let it rest. Should be bubbly. Okay, we're back and you can see the bubbles. And I have to add 5.5 cups of flour. So I split it in half as far as 2.75 cups of the golden wheat and then the AP flour. Got to add the oil. Thank you, baby. All right, this is what it looks like. Um, the original recipe called for 2.5 cups of water. I modified that to 3.5 cups of water because you have to accommodate for the wheat. And also, this recipe was based off of just using AP flour. So we are going to roll this into a ball and we are going to let this sit for an hour and pray that my ingenuity is correct. We're going to cover this and let this rest for an hour. Should be doubled when we come back. Okay, here the bread is. It has doubled in size. Let's do the punch test. Oh yeah. I'm gonna grease the counter and let's divide this into half. We're just gonna eyeball it. Okay, got our 2 loaves. We are gonna use our Pullman pans. I'll be back in 1 hour to show you how they look. All right, here are the loaves all done. We are going to get these into the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. Okay, my friends, it has been a day, but we are done. Here's the loaf. This is what they look like on the side, on the bottom. I let them cool for a couple hours. This one got a little bigger than the other one. Let's cut it and see what it looks like. I buttered it as soon as it came off the oven. This is what we got, friends. Good old honey wheat bread for the husband. Now he is happy. I don't have to worry about divorcing him because he really was losing it about not having his own bread after he convinced me that I needed to start making sourdough bread. But you know what? That's neither here nor there. There he goes. There you go, babe. 2 loaves. Bread all week. Nothing but bread. You want a white loaf next, babe? What else can I do? You know what I'm saying? This man got me just jumping through all kind of loops. You know what I'm saying? Start making sourdough and now you want something else. I could have just stuck to making a regular regular bread. Anyway, I love you, bye.